you all your faults, which is not origins, which is homing and all that stuff. There's a couple of PMs that are overdue, which is the greasing the backs and things like that. That's been done since we started shutting down. Okay, now the origin everything, I get 1 and 2 in. You got to have tonnage on it or it won't run at all. Okay. So we go with 100 ton. And then we go to, when you're origin it, you got to make sure this line is below this line. If it's up here, it'll keep hunting forever. So you go back, your setups, and it should. Back gate together. Fat, dumb, and happy. And we're going to do profile. Make sure it's got a profile in it. And then we go to take me to a screen. So how you move it in with a preset. It's already got a program in it. So we're just running small little clips right here.
Okay.
And then of course don't have to dial. That's all you need.
That's it. In and out.
You need to go bring it back up to the top, you hit the reverse, and then bring it up where you can change your dial. Okay. That's pretty much the whole function of it.
Pretty much it.
Once I mean, you put your different profiles in, you can have change your flange positions. When you get into changing your angles and your bends and your part lock. Stainless steel, that's what it had it set for. The different tooling, which I don't have any in right now. That's what you're bending. You were going to bend it to 90 and it was 8-inch length, so they had 8-inch die. And you didn't have 0 repeats because you were just doing 1 at a time. Okay. If you had repeats, you just hold the pedal and you shove them in it. Okay. Most people don't want to run it like that. Sooner or later, your operator's going to get a finger in there.
That's exactly what I'm thinking.
That's the whole operation.
That's it. That's outstanding.
I mean, you get into your different settings, what you want it to be. This is where your ram, you get your top point was 10 inches, and you want it to slow down at 7.8.
Okay, sure.
And then it gets down to 7.7,
and it creeps,
and you're done. Now, the only other thing is sometimes it'll give you a message that Y1 or Y2 is not equal to the other one. You have to take it and take one, if like, and then level it up. Right. And am I going the right way? Let's see. I went too high up, damn it. It's probably so close it ain't gonna move nowhere. But you get the idea.
Yeah, you're outside 200.
It'll come down to 16.999. But you're close. And if it ever over travels, you have to have a second person help you because bypass if it gets unlevel more than so many degrees.